Hello, I'm Mr. Loreline, and I'm your son or daughter's literature teacher at Helfrich Park. In this video, I'm going to be talking about the lesson plans that I have for this week from August 31st to September 4th. It has been a great start to this school year, this first week and a half. And so now with the first full week where all students are present, we are going to be starting with our first short story, The Most Dangerous Game. Before we start reading that, we are going to be going over elements of fiction. Make sure that students understand the different vocabulary words that I will be using, not only for The Most Dangerous Game, but for other short stories and novels that we will be reading this year. At the very end of Monday, we're going to have a Jamboard to kind of get started to think about what students will be thinking of when they hear the title, The Most Dangerous Game. And Jamboard is just a Google board where students can collaborate with each other. On Tuesday, we're going to pick up another pre-reading activity, and we're going to be using the website Socrative to get students' opinions on different topics that arise in the story, The Most Dangerous Game. And that way we can have a good discussion and really immerse ourselves into what the story is about. And then on Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, we will actually be reading The Most Dangerous Game on Actively Learn. And students will have questions that they will be answering while reading The Most Dangerous Game. And of course, those questions will be completed on Actively Learn. At the very end on Friday, students will be using Padlet to share a picture or GIF of their thoughts on how it ended. And that's just a way that we can wrap up final thoughts of what we thought about the short story. I hope this video helps out, and I'm excited for another week at Helfrich Park.